same road we're walking down, same job, same town, 'cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known.
So we survived the night. How's everybody, please? The hurricane haven't reached yet. You know, rain falling. He stopped now. My little plants and them there, boy. There's some corn and thing coming in. You know? The ackee tree. It rain falling, but it really fall much, you know. I saw down by the sea looking just white, everything just white. We're under a 7 days curfew. So you know, I take the chance to come and do a little quick before. As everybody, your house is on top of it. A little quick before and after. How everything looking so far. From a nice little tree here. The parlor. Next house here again. Everybody indoors. See a nice little tomatoes and everything there. It will be a blessing if nothing much, you know, just a little rain. The place could flood and them kind of thing there, you know, but see what? If it come, it come. I say police are coming here, you know. But that one gone since the last hurricane and he can't even recover himself, and then he come in and face a next one again, so I'm not too sure what go happen, but I'm watching. So they still have to try and get to shelters and things, you know. And if all are wondering where they are, in Parklet. That's my hometown. That's in the junction, you know. As we are just coming from. There's a medical station there. Yes, sir. Everybody's still trying to get themselves together, get everything in gear. Yep, I don't know if you could see. You could have called me. I don't know if you could, the rain started to fall again. I see a little breeze start to pick up in the corner there. I don't know what's going on there. Yeah, how the place looking. I don't know if you can see, but the rain start to fall back again. See how my hands start to get wet? So if I have any place.
Let's say they have it.
You know, sometimes it's good to make a little pass on the village, you know, to see if anybody need help to move or to, you know, because not everybody that does be able to help themselves. Everybody house, you know, still intact. It's our Judy night. All those others on the other side. The river remain, you know, just on a little. It didn't go all the way up. Just a little. Hi everybody. Not that bad. Hmm? Oh, nah, see, not that bad. Yeah, the breeze starting to pick up all because it's at 2 feet, start to wave. There's a stream coming on here. I don't feel she did, right? Man, let me do this school. And don't run on down. Rain start to come down really heavy, you know. Breeze start to pick up. Hey, church. See the whole place just start to get white. You know, we just for the moment. Everybody kind of secure the things and everything. Oh, I'll go down there. Yeah, it's one of the shelters and them they have out for people and everything. So yeah, it look like the thing start. All the breeze and thing. Don't make a joke. All the breeze and things start.
That's what you have to look for the up to the thing coming out.
Yeah.
But it's moving fast, boy.
Yeah, well, the breeze start to thing, mango falling, rain falling. A tree just fell underneath the hill. Everybody stand up watching. And next one fall. And next tree. A tree just fell between here, so. Breeze starting to pick up. Yeah, that's it, Erickson. He started to touch down. Yeah, that's it. Next thing we there, and we see the roof just pass over this thing here, so and fall along. Yeah. What break it?
something break by.
A branch.
Yeah, watch this over.
Watch.
Are you having to take over?
What's the area start to get clear in here? I just pray him not make sure them don't fall.
Watch that windbreak and strong by.
Just
Alright, one gun. Oh,
Yeah.
God, Daryl! Daryl!
Oh,
Ooh, the
yeah.
big fan Daryl here.
Good also.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, man.
Yeah, sure. You connect center. That mash up.
Yeah, man, sir, him there.
Ooh.
Now we know you're coming, please.
No, the only thing, the block from him, I didn't take them out. Don't walk there. Can't go far. Cause that falling on you.
When Ivan this house of cars, we watch that race up, spin wrong, come back down. Yeah. Even that land coconut tree are dancing in the back, they going on along by the ground and come back up.
How window get still.
Now well, that we just starting.
Far. Ivan start up hard.
Yeah.
Ivan
Well at it.
Ivan start up real hard. Yeah, can make a money for September. It's a Syrian, you know. I'm from Syria.
Yeah, you gain it. Mountain gain a little shuffle.
Mountain don't get a shake up.
What's mountain?
Gain a shuffle.
You'll get something here.
You got Tanti Patrick.
But wait, now this one I'm pushing out the head there.
Oh.
That is the eye close. No, the eye come here. Like you can still see. I just come in. Yeah.
Yeah. This guy, I pushing out all the wind.
What is the tail what is wagging?
Yeah, I have a high pressure.
The guana tail. He hitting your flat out.
Look that way.
The phone are you ringing it?
You not phone back?
Yeah, you did that done.
Let me see that. Let me see flow system of your thing.
Flew.
Oh, Jesus. What's some money
Go behind them.
Yeah, man, go have to go now.
Watch it. Sabri's coming. Check. That I want to see there too. Watch it, Erickson. That's mango falling and ripe, you know. You hold everything okay with it? Alright. Watch, and next piece I have and I raise up my heat clean on there, you know. But next thing that I have and I turn by doggy. Because you know doggy holds the below by heat clean on there too. Grenada so small, if I have to have a nice coating tongue, you know, innit? Yeah, we know start to get there. Hold aside, hold aside. Hurricane. What types of shingles flying up in the area?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a shingles. Yeah, that's it, you know. That's the real deal. You have to watch the sea.
I can't have a nice go.
That's the real deal, you know. Yeah, so I'm coming in from upside. Mm-hmm.
Cracking.
He holding up on one another in the corner there too. Yeah, he fall now. Wait.
Right.
Yeah, he fall.
Drum.
Like halfway, you know. More to come, but it's a whole lot said. Watch. That here go brick. That here brick. That tree here brick. What? 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 Everything you get flattened.
What do you think spin around?
Yeah.
I thought I don't eat it, right?
What? Oh! Stay what you do! Yeah. That is set you up there, leg. What do you think you are, Blagane? Watch, real man go fall in here. I see you coming down the casting. Just the place turning up. Turning up. Yeah, watch it. Watch. That's his well. That's it. Yeah. All the leaves, something just. You got to turn it off. Watch.
Now, what are you doing over there?
So we see there.
I'm going to go over here.
Maybe the little screw we put on there, you know?
You go ahead.
Yeah. Once I get a chance, I buy screw and just change over all the screw on top of the all the board on them, only thing I'm screwing them down. So at least everybody rolling down everybody, you know?
You have the camera already?
Yeah. In the brand, I'm getting help, I don't know for any sign. Okay, you know what I did? Get him. That going on right on the ground now. Guys, see there. Oh, my phone came in there. So this is after the hurricane. Wait now, why all kind of thing fall? All the power lines. Morning, morning. Uh-huh. No. You could take it off. All the power lines and everything bust off of the wire. But there are people clearing up and thing. Rusty! Like the government pass? Yeah. They good, they good. Uh-huh. Them trees and them fall off, you see the road, the block, but they started to clean it up and everything already. Couple trees fall well, boy. Coconut, everything on the ground. But them like a breadfruit and everything. Morning. Yeah. Ronald Stevenson. Couple power lines and things snapped down here as well. A lot of trees and everything fall. You see couple breadfruit trees and things. Couple trees and things for how the whole place turn up. Couple of the power lines and everything. Woo! I do not after, boy. Oh, morning, morning. Everybody coming together and cleaning up the place and everything. Morning, Miss Jean. Majority of them trees are them over here. Morning, morning. Couple of them trees and them lash up. Couple of them houses. The majority of them trees and everything turn out down here. Place bright. That's some of my side of up there. I just go in and reaching over here and come back. Don't they mash up? What?
Hey man, there are big people along the road.
Who Facebook is that'll good. I don't know, but that'll good. Rihanna. Oh, like an extra fall down here again. The whole place just clear. You see all the houses. Where I was during the hurricane. But I was seeing all the trees and things falling down from a different angle. A lot of trees and everything across it just fall down and stuff. No word. Good.
Yeah, man.
Morning. Nah. And them wire and them boss, but them high tension on them. So the first time we stop there. So what do you mean, man? We might go a little further. Glenwin! Number.
You know what man?
You see, now I have to do a before and after, you understand? All during the hurricane, we outside there. I want roof here. Get a lawn cover again, man. How much? I over the kitchen side here. Yeah. Nah, the other governor is from over so.
Yes.
You see that breadfruit tree here fall? That one right there, you see that fall? Oh, actually fall bad, boy. Jay. Oh. I see mango tree see fall on the house from all the way up today. Bano. Ava. Same thing until I know that I was doing. Washing on the van. I know that I was doing, I tell you. It's different. You know. Yes, that's that. The governor, you see, come from the back here and flick over there. Nothing bad don't happen over there much. Morning.
Mur.
Wee, you girl flatten, man. Yeah, touch up. You could see how the breeze pass. You know, the river coming down. How you coming down? Oh. What they got to do that and them trim them up in a kind of farm?
That one they go trim over the what? Ben.
A lot of trees just me the on the ground.
Wrong looking.
Respect. Yeah. Where the tree from? What other branch on them, they just mash up, you know? Like somebody pass and clean up. You know? Yeah. Man, no big go. Why didn't he pass there along here? Watch, the bamboo still along there. Oh, that tree up there, I was watching mashing up all the time along there. That tree in them thing there, right there. Over there, that big tree there. No, there, watch. Over here.
Oh.
You see a couple of them inside there. Couple of them trees and them fall along. Ah, watch any back there flatten, man. You seen all the way here, so now? They're looking good. Oh, look at the tree down. Stopping right by the bridge. So people kind of cleaning up already. That was just a little shake up for Grenada, you know. A little wake up call. Oh, a tree fall on a house down there, roof mash up. You see straight in front there. I'm sure that I Google one. Oh, that one. Yo. I mean, mountain get a real touch up. Yeah. All the coconut tree fall out from here. Morning. I don't look like he could drink, so. I don't look like he could drink. You know? Woo-hoo. Right there. I don't know. Scrape it. Scrape it. I'm telling you. Coconut. There's some of that here. Get lash up in the road. I think I take that piscina. Take that piscina. Only coming back. Huh? So we just finished that piece. You want to take that piscina? Yeah, I'll help. By the tree there, man. A little branch breaker for that, eh? Couple of them trees here, so get lash up.
Good. Alright,
Morning. Yeah. No, it's not morning. I just get up. I just get up.
Get disoriented.
I'm telling you.
Right now.
Oh, and yeah, tree fall on the roof there, you know. He hanging in the wire. Yeah. You don't see that? All that and then gold. And a big builder. Up in bracket up the roof gun. You see Papi show they making? Eh? Yeah. Well, how you know is that? You got a lash up too, boy. I put in it. I didn't call him.
No, you mad?
Now we go to St. Thomas. I fine because he get more than Grenada. I can tell them with all that breeze and thing you get it must drown here. Yeah. Got a couple of slides and things down here. Wire. We know? Watch me. If that tree, while you're watching it, you just do that across the river. Just that here doesn't do across the river. All up in the back, so it's what there. A real big tree fall in the road on the way. Yeah. Couple trees that can say fall well. You don't watch me. That okay? I didn't want to put you in it, I was asking you. In the...
Yeah, that's all.
Alright. Morning. Well, afternoon, I'm still saying morning, you know. Sas, I'm telling you, I don't doing good at all, you know. You're supposed to tie that tree up there, you know that go happen. You're supposed to tie back that, or how reach you when you have to reach now? Yes. I don't know. Karim tell her. You go see yourself, boy. Hmm? Yeah. I'm gonna put a pull back, put it on the shoulder and go beat. Trying to see if they could clear out that tree out there from the road.